Hey guys, we're back in the meeting room, and today we're going to take a look at how you can make any standard whiteboard part of your video conferencing experience with Lifesize Share. Whiteboarding works really well if you're in the room and you're sharing concepts and explaining ideas, but if you're calling in on video, sometimes you can feel a little left out. Often the camera has to be turned to awkward angles to view the whiteboard, and you still may only see the person's back. Even if you can see the board, you're usually scrambling to take notes or hoping that someone takes a photo with their phone just to share after the meeting. Thanks to our new Kaptivo camera system integration for Lifesize Share, you can make any whiteboard smart. Just mount the Kaptivo camera and control pad, pair it with Lifesize Share, and press the button to start sharing. It's really that easy. There's no additional training required and no downloads for anyone in the meeting to install. Just use your whiteboard as normal and everything you write will be captured and shared automatically. Kaptivo recognizes different colors and removes the person writing. It even gets rid of shadows and reflections and glare, and leaves you with a clean, sharp, accurate image that can be shared with anyone in the meeting in real time. And when the meeting's over, you have the option to save a timeline slide of the whiteboarding session that you could either save for later or share. Whiteboard sharing with Kaptivo and Lifesize Share is smart, secure, and super simple. Be sure to follow us on social media for more product and feature updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.